Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see what a dimension of physical quantity. So let us start. The dimension of a physical quantity are the powers to which the concerned fundamental unit must be raised in order to obtain the unit of given physical quantity. Now suppose we have a rod of a particular length. We need to measure it. For that, we will use a standard metric scale. We will find its length. So, unit used is length, that is in meter, represented by L. So, unit is meter and the dimension is 1. Because for measuring length, we say that the length is 1 meter or so on. So, we are saying that unit is meter and the dimension is 1. Now suppose we want to find the area of a rectangle. For that we need to find two parameters, that is length and breadth. Then we need to multiply length into breadth. So the unit is meter square. Now meter, that is in length, is nothing but the unit, and 2 is the dimension. So what are dimension? Dimension are the powers. Powers किसका? वो यूनिट का, जैसे मीटर स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट आर डायमेंशन? डायमेंशन आर द पावर टू विच द यूनिट्स मस्ट बी रेज्ड इन ऑर्डर टू ऑब्टेन द यूनिट ऑफ द गिवन फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. नाउ लेट अस सी some basic units. Basic quantities are represented by L for length, M for mass, T for time, and so on. For representing most of the physical quantity, we need to use these three things or three quantities, that is L, M, and T. Now let us see an example of dimension of derived physical quantity. Dimensional formula for velocity. We all know that velocity is displacement upon time. Now displacement is measured in length, so we write this at L1 because displacement is in length. Length means meter. Meter is M1, so here we write as L1 upon time. Now time is measured in second. Second, that is only one power, so we write as T1. Now L1 is in numerator and T1 is in denominator. So taking the T up, we convert that 1 into -1. So dimension of velocity is L1 M0 T minus 1. Now why M is 0? Because there is no term involving M. So by using this method, we can find the unit of all other derived quantity.